Christmas. Winter wrapped the city in lights, cold air, and quiet magic.
Can you believe it's almost Christmas already?
Yeah, the whole city feels like a giant holiday movie.
On their way home, a tiny sound cut through the winter noise.
Hey, wait! Did you hear that?
It came from over there. Let's check the alley.
Hidden in the shadows, they found a tiny life fighting the cold.
Oh no, it's freezing. Poor little thing.
Hey, it's okay. We've got you now.
They couldn't leave the little one trembling in the cold, not on a night like this.
Careful. Let's wrap it tighter.
There you go, buddy. You're safe now. Let's get you somewhere warm.
The cafe is right here. Maybe someone has seen this puppy today.
Yeah, let's ask before it gets colder. Excuse me, has anyone asked about a missing dog today?
I'm afraid not. No one's mentioned a puppy.
I did see a poster a few streets away, though.
Excuse me, sir. Have you seen a lost puppy around today?
Not today, but I saw a lost dog poster outside on the wall.
A poster? That could help.
He said the poster was somewhere out here.
Let's look around the walls. It has to be close. This must be it, but most of it's ripped off.
Yeah. No phone number, no address. Just half a picture.
They asked everyone they could. The cake seller, the flower lady, even the man hanging lights. But no one recognized the lost puppy.
We've asked so many people, and still no owner.
Yeah. I don't know what else to try now. Let's try the clinic. Maybe someone here will recognize this puppy.
Yeah. Let's go.
Good news, the puppy is fine. Just cold and tired.
So you don't know the owner?
No, I haven't seen this one before.
Wait, there's something on the collar.
A tag? Can you clean it?
Yeah, there's a logo here. It looks like a shelter.
Just as they stepped outside, a small detail finally revealed itself. A hidden mark on the collar. The logo of a shelter they hoped could lead them to the puppy's home.
Huh. With a new clue in hand, they hurried through the snow, hope rising with every step toward the shelter they believed would hold the answer.
Wait, I know this puppy. It was adopted a few days ago.
Really? Someone is looking for it?
Yes, I'll call the family right now.
Tiny! I missed you so much!
Thank you. Thank you for bringing him back.
We're just glad he's safe.
He seems comfortable here.
Yeah, this feels like the right place for him.
Thank you for taking care of him. You brought him back to us.
We couldn't leave him out there. I'm glad he's home.
On the snowy street, ending their night feeling peaceful and hopeful.